What if I told you that a creature with a brain the size of a sesame seed can count, add, and even understand the concept of zero? It sounds unbelievable, right? But it's absolutely true. Meet the humble honeybee, nature's tiny genius. For centuries, we've marveled at bees for their incredible work ethic, their complex hives, and their role in pollination. But recent experiments have revealed something even more astonishing. Bees can do basic math. Let's start with the size of their brain. A bee's brain is minuscularly the size of a sesame seed. That's about 0.0002% the size of the human brain. Yet inside that tiny organ is a surprisingly powerful processor. In controlled lab experiments, bees have demonstrated that they can count objects up to 4 and even perform simple arithmetic like addition and subtraction. Yes, you heard that right. Bees can actually do math. In one fascinating experiment, researchers trained bees using color-coded symbols. Blue meant add 1, and yellow meant subtract 1. The bees were shown a set of shapes, say 3 squares, and then had to choose between 2 answers. One option showed 4 shapes, the other showed 2. If the bee had learned that blue means add, it would correctly fly to the card with 4 shapes. This might seem simple to us, but for a creature with such a tiny brain, this is an impressive cognitive leap. And the results? The bees pick the right answer over 60% of the time. That's not just luck, that's learning and memory at work. But it doesn't stop there. In a separate set of studies, bees demonstrated an understanding of the number 0. Now, 0 might seem like a basic concept, but it's actually an abstract idea. Even young human children take time to grasp what 0 really means, that it's not just a number, but the absence of anything. Bees were shown to consistently recognize a blank card, representing 0, as a lower value than a card with 1 or more objects on it. This ability to understand 0 places bees in a very elite group of animals, including some primates, dolphins, and parrots. So how do they do it? The key seems to lie in how their brains are wired. Bee brains are not just small, they're incredibly efficient. Every neuron has a purpose, and their neural circuits are specialized for specific tasks like navigation, foraging, and learning. While they don't have the conscious reasoning ability of humans, their brains are optimized for the challenges they face in the wild. And that includes recognizing patterns, learning from experience, making decisions, all of which are crucial for survival. These findings challenge what we thought we knew about intelligence. For a long time, scientists assumed that complex thought required a large brain, but bees show us that brain efficiency might matter more than brain size. It's a humbling reminder that intelligence can take many forms, and that even the smallest creatures might be capable of remarkable things. So next time you see a bee buzzing around your garden, take a moment to appreciate it. It's not just searching for flowers. It might just be doing a little bit of math in its tiny head. Nature never stops surprising us, and bees are one of its most brilliant examples. If you found this fascinating, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts from the natural world. And drop a comment below. What other animals do you think might be smarter than we give them credit for?